Create an accretion disk. Launch Tinkercad. Create new design. Move around your grid until you're at the top-down perspective. On the right menu, under Geometric, click Torus, Thick. Drag your torus onto the grid. Using the Shift key to keep the torus in the original ratio, size the torus to be about 1/2 of your grid size, or slightly larger. Change perspective until you are viewing your torus from the side. Using the white box at the top of the torus, shrink your shape down until it's only a few millimeters thick. Experiment with aligning your torus to the middle of your grid. Select Color from the upper right and grab a red or orange tone. Close your file. Using the Properties button, rename your file. Accretion Disk 1.